Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Grindr chat filtering feature. So let me tell you guys, Grindr allows you to filter the main grid to find specific types of users, which effectively filters who you see and consequently who you chat with. While there isn't a single button to filter incoming messages, you can customize your grid to only display users who meet your criteria. So to use this filter, open your Grindr app and then go to your main grid, which shows the nearby users. Now, tap the filters icon. Often it looks like sliders to say filters in the top right, in the top left corner, or depending on your version. Now, once you tap on the filter, set your preferences. Adjust settings like age range, adjust settings like tribe, positions, or looking for. Now, choose the filters that you prefer. Once you choose your filter, tap apply. Now the filter button will turn yellow, indicating filters are active. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.